Hello and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Today we'll be talking about JavaScript sets. That's sets as in S-E-T-S, not S-E-X, as some of you may think. Definitely S-E-T-S. Now, what are JavaScript sets? Sets are very similar to arrays in that they hold numbers, strings, groups of numbers and strings, but with one caveat, one exception. And the exception is that all of the values of a set have to be unique. So that if you insert two things of the same value, it will only display one of them. So it has to be unique. That's the fundamental difference between arrays and sets. Um, I'll show you an example of a set, how we construct one. So we're going to do const, and we're going to call this my set. There are two ways that you can add values to a set. This is the first one that I'm showing you now. So to instantiate the set objects, we use the new keyword and set, open parentheses, open square brackets. And if let's just say we wanted to do a set containing a series of integers, we do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And just console log that to the screen just to see what it gives us. Okay, save that, run this, and it's given us 5 values, namely 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now, as I stated earlier, sets cannot contain duplicates. If you do insert a duplicate value, it will completely ignore it and just display unique values solely. So let's put this to the test. We'll duplicate the value of 6, and we'll also, if I can type correctly, we'll duplicate the value of 10. So we have 2 values pertaining to 6, 2 values pertaining to 10. Save that. And run. And as you can see, it's completely ignored the fact that we have 2 6s and 2 10s and just displayed the unique value. Now, the second way of adding values to a set is as follows. So we instantiate the set object with parentheses, and we say my set. Then we use the add method to add our values. So the first one would be 2. If we can just speed things up by copying this down and replace these numbers. 4, 6, 8, and 10. And clear our console first. And console log that to the screen. Console log set. Save that and run. And as you can see, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We just instantiated the object in a different way. And in this case, we've used the add method as opposed to just instantiating and listing the values when we instantiate the object. We can also delete methods in a set. So, for example, if I have a set containing 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and I wanted to delete 10, we just use my set and the delete method. We delete 10, console log the value, console log our set to the screen, save and run. And as you can see, we only have 2, 4, 6, and 8 because we've just deleted the value of 10. Okay, so how would we loop through an array if we wanted to loop through this, but how would we loop through a set rather if we wanted to loop through this particular set? We do that by doing or using the for each method. So for example, if we wanted to loop through this particular set, we'd say my set, use the for each method, and we're looping through each item in the set. Should be able to console log each value of the set onto the screen. Console log that, save and run, and it should display all of the values from 2 to 10. And that is how you loop through a set in JavaScript. And that's pretty much it. So I've shown you how to add values, how to instantiate a set, how to delete values, and how to also loop through a set. If you like this video, rate, comment, share, subscribe, and smash the like button. And yeah, comment if you like it, if you like what you've seen, and you'd like more videos of this particular type. Okay then, until the next time, see you soon.